Hi, I'm Leona Galligan. Welcome to the Monaghan Way. Come on in. The Monaghan Way is a national waymarked route that was started here in Monaghan over 20 years ago by a group of volunteers. Originally went the whole way from Inniskeen to Clontibret, but in 2019 underwent some upgrades and it currently goes now from the village here in Inniskeen and finishes just outside Castleblayney. The route currently is 18.5 kilometres and could typically be done in one day, full day, or if you want to take your time you could do it in 2 days, 2 shorter days. The route starts here in Inniskeen where we have the Kavanagh jukebox. Then we come around to our first off-road section and we follow the River Fane and the old disused railway track. From there we are up into the drumlins, overlooking Lough Ross and into Crossmaglen, and then we finish on the shores of Lough Muckno, just outside Castleblayney. Since reopening, the Monaghan Way has increased tourism and footfall in the local towns and communities that it passes through. We also encourage leave no trace, so if you are bringing water or a snack with you, we kindly ask that you'll bring it home with you as well. For those of you that don't want to do the full Monaghan Way, we have 3 looped walks. We have the Magoni Loop, which is 10 kilometres, the Inniskeen Loop, which is 5 kilometres, and the Tomb Loop, which is just under 5 kilometres. There are lots of benefits to getting out in the outdoors, and the Monaghan Way between the River Fane and the old disused railway line offers lots of these benefits. We'd love to see you out on your rambles.